have some of these Amtop silicone mats that I thought we'd take a look at so I can show you. They're very handy for all kinds of uses in the kitchen, such as pot holders, mats, and jar openers. These mats have a variety of uses in the kitchen, but can also be used in other rooms. You could rest your curling iron on it, use it to remove a hot light bulb. They are FDA approved food grade silicone, and they're heat resistant up to 500 degrees. They do come in the 4 colors. The size is a 9 by 12. You can see the one side and has the ribs on it. They're very flexible, easy to fold or roll up to store. So some of the things that they're good for, say you have a pan, that's on the stove, you can simply use this to grip. Some of the pans don't have the safe handles. Also, any kind of dishes, 2 things I think could be used for. One, see, this kind of slides around so it keeps it in place. Also, if you took it out of the oven and it's hot, you don't want to set it right on your counter, or your island. You can set it on here so it keeps it safe. Another thing that this can be good for, see, I just washed this glass, so it's all wet. I don't have room in my dish rack, or maybe I don't have one. I can stick it like that. A little bit of water as it dries will catch in here and dry the glass properly, because it has the little ridges. So there's just a lot of uses for these mats. They're very handy. So these mats can be washed on the top rack of the dishwasher, and they are stain and odor resistant. A closer look here just to see the way they're shaped. They kind of have the ribs on the top, but on the bottom as well. But a really nice non-slip. It is great that they are an inexpensive product, but yet very useful. Once again, they are by Amtop. These are very handy mats. All kinds of things you could use these for. And definitely be sure to check out the description section below for more information on this product. We always appreciate any comments or likes. And thank you very much for watching.